Hello everyone, it's your girl Linda Tony. On this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your Get Ready With Me video. So let's dive into the video. Go to your CapCut, you click on New Project, then you import the video you want to work with. Once you do that, then here now, I'm going to delete this particular part because it's unnecessary. So I'll take that off my video. Then now, because I want it to be short, I don't want it to be long, then I'm going to split this part, then I'll keep this other part where I was dancing. So right now is from right now I want to get the particular place where I raised my leg up. So now that's what I'm going to do here. Then once I get that, I will just click on the video, then I will split. Then as I split that, then I will now go back, then I also click again where I was taking my leg down, but my leg have not really reached the ground. I'm going to click on that part, then I'm going to keep that part. So what I'm doing here now, I'm going to split this part. Like now I've dressed up, so I've raised my leg. So now I'm going to split the parts where I brought down my leg. So once I'll click on this, then I'll delete the excess part that I don't want. So please pay attention to this particular part here because it's very, very complicated. So you need to really pay attention to get it, okay? So what you are going to do, you click on that box, white box in between the video, then it will take you to this place where you see trend, pro, overlay. Then I'm going to stay on the trend. You can see here, drop down. This would have been perfect for the video, but I didn't subscribe for that. So I'm going to use the vertical blur. So I'll click on that. So you see this also suits the video, so I'm going to be using this. Then that is just that. So that is how you get this particular transition. You have seen how everything entered very well. So next, okay, for bonus, I'm going to do the video again, this time around with my handbag. So now on this particular place, I made the video where I'm trying to catch something from the air. So I'm going to split that part where I raised my hand up. So that particular part where I raised my hand up now, I'm going to split it. Then once I split it, I'll delete the excess. Then now I'm going to now try to get where I try to like come down. I don't know how to explain it. Come down to catch the stuff. So I'm going to now delete the excess again. So now this is the part where I threw my bag up. So I want to catch it. So I'm going to throw the bag. So once I'm about to catch it, that's the part where I will split and keep the part where I cut the bag. Then I'll delete the excess. So please, I don't know why I'm scrolling up and down. It's because I'm trying to get the right transition here, and I just have to show you guys. But I hope you are able to understand what I'm saying, Sha. So now I'm going to, because I've gotten the right stuff now, I'm going to click on this, then I'll delete this excess part because now I've gotten the particular part where I try catching it. I raised my hand. So now I'm catching it. So this particular part where I cut it, I'm going to split. I'll keep the part where I cut the bag, then I'll delete the excess part. So I'll click on this white box here for my transition. And mind you, this transition, I did this transition in between where I raised my hand and where I cut the handbag. The same thing go with the first video I show you guys. I did the transition where I raised my leg and where I brought down my leg. So that is where you are going to put your transition. You're going to click that to get your transition. So as I did the former one, I'm going to use vertical blur here because I didn't subscribe for the drop down. So this video is mainly for those that are doing this Get Ready With Me video, like those that are into fashion, those that are into skincare. So now all these excess parts, I don't need this, so I'm going to just delete all of them from my video. Then next, now you have to do some work. Yes, it's not just in the transition. You have to add your beats, you have to do your write-up and everything. So what we are going to do next is, so next here we are going to click on text to type in the Get Ready With Me text on your video. Then once I type that in, then next here I'm going to click on style. Then you can change it to whatever style you want. Just you play around it, just do what pleases you. Then once I'm done with that, then I'm going to drag that to the end of this video. If you don't want to drag it to the end of the video, you can as well leave it at the beginning of the video, or you can leave it at the middle of the video, just as it suits you. Then I'll click on animation. Oh my god. Then once you click on animation here, then I'm going to click on typewriting, because I want it to look like I am typing the word. So what I'm going to do after doing that, I'm now going to drag that up, then I'm going to expand it. So if you want to expand this, you click on this button here. If you want to edit whatever you have written, you see the button there that has something like pen. You click on that to do that. This is the continuation of your Get Ready With Me video. So on this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to add your sound and how to use the adjust feature in CapCut. So I'm going to click on audio, then I'm going to click on sound. Once I do that, it will take me here. So here there are variety of sound, but I'm going to be using the beats. I'm going to click on beats, then I'll check all the options here and know the one that I prefer, but I'm going to go in for the free options. I'm going to pick one. Once I do that, the next step here, I'm going to import that into my video and look for the feature called beats. Once I click on that particular feature, I'm going to click on auto generate. Once I click on that, it's going to take a while. Then I'm going to generate that. So once I generate that, I have gotten the beats for my Get Ready With Me. You see many Get Ready, you see other Get Ready With Me video. You notice that their transition normally go with the beats of the song. This is what they usually do. They usually adjust everything so that when they are changing or when they are dancing, it's normally flow with the beats of the song. So this is what they usually do. Then the next step here, I'm going to show you how to use the adjust feature. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for the adjust feature. Once I get that, I'll click on that. Then I'm going to click on contrast. I'll increase that to 6 rather. Then I'm going to increase my saturation to 8, my bromance to 5. Then for my sharpness, I'm going to increase that all the way to 100. Then this HSL is very important for your video, because this particular feature can make or spoil your video, so you have to be careful while using it. So here I'm going to be using only the red color. This is because the red I'm wearing dominates color on my body here, so I'm going to use the red color. So after that, then I will use the graph. This particular graph, you can use any color here, but I'm going to be using the white color because I prefer that. It's just neutral. I will increase the highlight to 5. Then for the shadow, you can decrease it. It will look like this, or you can increase it. So I usually increase my depending on the video share. Not all video I increase. Then for my tempo, I decrease that to 15. Then that is all for the adjust feature for this particular video. I don't need to do much here. So this is how the video is. So let me show you what this adjust feature does. It helps to increase the quality of your video. So this was when I used the adjust feature, and this was how my video was initially. So you see the difference, right? This is why it's good for you to use the adjust feature. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please do well to subscribe, click on all notifications to get notified whenever I'll post a new video, and also comment. See you all in my next video. Bye.